Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you're well. We are going to go through the install process here. I've clicked on the link from the previous clip. I've gone to my desktop. That's where I would like to save it. Go and click save. It's a very short download, it's only 12 megs. However, there are some other bits and pieces that you probably need that may not be on your machine. So I'm going to go into here and go and install it from the link. It says pretty much what it will say on your computer, no doubt. And I'm going to go through the extraction process and install it from this folder. What I'm going to do next is go through that tutorial, that web tutorial. And what I want to do here is just go into custom for myself and just say, yes, I agree. And then I can choose where I want bits and pieces to actually go. Because there are things that on my machine, I don't want it to be the default image editor for JPEGs and PNGs because I use Photoshop anyway. So TGA files, that's fine. Create a shortcut on the desktop. I have enough desktop shortcuts. I don't want that on my computer. Automatic check for updates, that's fine by me. Okay. This is where I want to install it. Maybe there's something different on your computer. Maybe you have a D drive, an F drive, a Z drive. I don't know. And so I'm going to go next, and it's going to go next, and then it's going to install. And .NET stands for the .NET framework. So it may ask you if you want to install the .NET, the Microsoft .NET framework, and that's fine. You'll be prompted on your machine, and that's just another pop out, and it'll say, do you want to install the .NET framework? And yes, you do, so you can make it work. So then, depending on the actual speed of your computer, mine's pretty slow. The bar will get to the end, and it'll say start paint.net. And so it'll start it, give it a one-time run through like this. It may be black, it may be gray, and that's fine. Yours may have different colors. We're going to show you how to change the colors later on. And that's it for the first time run through. So, year 5, I hope that's okay. As always, good luck.